Guys, this is Vijay from T-Cube, and today I'm going to show you the differences between the Lee Echo 2 and the Redmi Note 3. Coming to its build quality guys, the both are made of metal, both front and back. These both are brushed metals. The metal on Lee 2 looks shiny and more beautiful than the Redmi Note 3. Coming to its position of various features in this, the builds. On the top of both you get the IR blaster, but on a Lee 2 you wouldn't get a headphone jack as it supports a Type-C cable and the lightning connector type is present. Okay, leaving about that. Switching on the mobile, we see the beautiful UI on this. The Lee 2 runs on EUI, whereas the Mi 3 runs on the MIUI 8. Coming to the camera comparison, the Lee 2's camera is fast launched and the Redmi Note 3 is fast focused. Okay, a differentiating feature. And coming to the UI features, both look almost the same, both give an Android stock experience. Coming to its Android version, let's go to About Phone. Here you see the Android. Yeah. On the Lee 2 you get an Android 6.0 Marshmallow. On the Redmi Note 3 you get the Android 5.1 Lollipop. Okay. And coming to the settings design, the Lee 2 and the Redmi Note 3 both have off-screen capacitive buttons. Both Wi-Fi is so speed. Both supports Indian 4G LTE brands including the JioSIM. And coming to its negatives, I don't think so it has negatives in its build quality. The Lee 2 looks more stylish than the Redmi Note 3 in terms of build. As I have seen from other videos guys, the Lee 2 is so strong it can't be bent much easily. Whereas the Redmi Note 3 gets bent easier, but it's tough to get it totally broken. Okay. Coming to its inbuilt features, both almost have all the stock Android experienced features. Both UIs look stylish, both seem to have no lag. And coming to its performance guys, I have installed the Antutu on both the devices. Here you can have a quick view. The Redmi Note 3 runs on a Qualcomm Snapdragon 650 and a hexa-core processor, whereas the Lee 2 runs on Qualcomm Snapdragon 652, its next successor. Okay, coming to its performance scores, both almost resemble the same, but in terms of price range guys, both are priced at 11,999 Indian rupees. Okay, on comparison guys, I think so the Lee 2 gets the top place as the Lee 2 is more powerful chipset than the Redmi Note 3's. The 3D processing is higher in the Redmi Note 3. The user experience, the CPU and the RAM all seems to be almost same matched. And coming to its other security features, both have a fingerprint sensor on the rear side. Okay, let's set up the fingerprint and see who's faster. Setting up a fingerprint is both easier on both Redmi Note 3 and the Lee 2. Just go to fingerprint and password, then have screen lock settings, unlock with the fingerprint, pattern, let's draw some pattern again. Okay, the fingerprint, let's just add it. On the Redmi Note 3 guys, let's add this too. The fingerprint recognition is fast in Redmi Note 3 when compared to the Lee 2, as the fingerprint in Redmi Note 3 is a metal surface, whereas on the Lee 2 is an ultrasonic fingerprint scanner. Both have a 360-degree fingerprint reader. Okay, coming to the unlock of the screen, let's see who's faster. Sorry. forgot to turn on the feature. Unlock with the fingerprint is turned on. Okay, let's see. Yeah, it's now set. Let's see who's fast. Okay, in this battle the Redmi Note 3 wins. And coming to the touch interface, guys, as I have said, the UI on this is EUI 5.8 and on a Redmi Note 3 it's MIUI 8. Okay, both are up to date, it has no bugs. The MIUI gets updated very fast, guys, than compared to the EUI. It gets updated every month, whereas the MIUI gets updated every week. So I think so in terms of build quality, the storage available, yeah, coming to the storage and options, both have a 3 GB of RAM and 32 GB of internal. Both support eMMC 5.1 flash drives. And coming to the opening of the apps, both seems to be pretty fast, but on Li 2 the apps open much faster as the RAM management is good. And coming to overall performance, guys, the clear winner is the Li 2. Okay, as I have said, on the budget phones both seems to be right. In terms of looks, the Li 2 gets the top place. In terms of camera performance, the Li 2. In terms of battery, the Redmi Note 3 is the topper. And in terms of other bugs and other issues corrections, the Redmi Note 3 again takes the lead. Both phones have their advantages and disadvantages. Overall, I can say that the Li 2 gets the first place and the Redmi Note 3 gets the second. If you are a heavy gamer, prefer Li 2. If you are a normal user, prefer Redmi Note 3. If you want a high battery capacity, take Redmi Note 3. If you get sufficient with a lower battery, take the Li 2. Coming to the USBs, guys, the Redmi Note 3 supports a micro USB cable, whereas the Li 2 has a Type-C charging cable. The Redmi Note 3 supports quick charge but not as fast as the Li 2, as it has a Type-C quick charge cable certified by Qualcomm 2.0 quick charge. As I have said, both devices perform very well. In performance issues, it doesn't have anything. Okay, see, you can't see any lag in between. The scores rendering also nice. If you want the real specifications, guys, I can show you them. The Li 2 enters the high performance mode when entered to AnTuTu benchmark. On the info you can see the information of the two devices. Both has a GPU Adreno 510. Both screen resolution is also same. The Li 2 takes the lead by having a Qualcomm Snapdragon 652, which is a step ahead of the Qualcomm 650. And coming to the graphics, guys, as I have said, both have similar graphics chip. As coming to the sensors supported, both has almost the same sensors but different company. Okay, on the issues, guys, the Li 2 has an issue of IR blaster, but still it's not corrected, whereas the Redmi Note 3 is free of bugs, anything. So if you want a comfortable device, a price range device, a good device, everything, choose a Redmi Note 3. If at present, guys, the Li 2 doesn't have any much issues. The only issue I found that was the problem with the IR blaster. Choose yourself, guys, which device is the best. On my specs, I can say that the Li 2 is better than the Redmi Note 3. It has all the latest features packed in it along with the Android 6.2 Marshmallow. Thank you guys for watching my video. Hope you like it. Please subscribe.